You are welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are still on reduction and enlargement, and we'll be looking at this question. We are to enlarge this shaped irregular pentagon to a ratio of 7 to 4. How did we know that it's enlargement? Because 7 to 4, the RF will be 7 all over 4. The actual size is the denominator, which is 4, and the new one is 7. That means we want to make it bigger. So that's what we are doing. So now let us start. You start with the base AB, which is 40. Draw 40 A B. Then we want to locate E. So we have AE to be 30. You stay on A, measure 30. You mark an arc. Then BE is 55. So you stay on B, measure 55. Mark another arc. Then you mark another arc. So you take this one to this place. That is our E. Now I want to locate C. BC is 30. You stay on B, measure 30. You mark an arc. Then AC is 60. So you stay on A, measure 60. Mark another arc. Then you take this one also like this. So that is our C. Now to locate D. Our D, ED is 50. You stay on E, measure 50, mark an arc. And CD is 40. Stay on C, measure 40 with your compass, mark another arc. Then you join it like this and like this. This is our D. Now to enlarge it. Extend the base on both sides. Extend the base on both sides. Now on this side, let us mark 7 equal points. You can use 1 cm.
Yeah.
So you can measure 1 cm 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this is the 7th one here. Now let me label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do you do now? This number 7, from 7 to 8, you bisect it. You stay here, you mark arc above and let's say above and below. Then come to A, mark it above and below. Then you draw this line. Now, where they are meeting, it does not mean that they are meeting at exactly B. So take note of that. It does not mean they are meeting at B. So you put it here on that point and extend it to either A or 7 and draw a semicircle. If you draw a semicircle, let's even say our B is somewhere here, distinct from the center. Aha. So now what do you do next? You now go to the new one you want to construct is 4. So between 4 and 8, bisect that one too. You stay on that 4, mark out above and below. Say here, mark out above and below. And you draw this other bisector. You get it now? So at this point, which is the center, let's call this first center O1 and this one O2. This O2, extend it to 4 and draw another semicircle. Is that clear? Now, what do you do now? You will now, at the point of B, at point B, you're going to draw a construct 90 degree at that point. So I'll put it on B and I'll draw a semicircle like this. So I'll stay on this place, mark arc, and stay here, mark another arc, so that I can get a perpendicular line from B, exactly point B. That's the point where you draw your perpendicular line. So now, remember that the actual size here is 4. So the semicircle of 4, you look at where that perpendicular line is intersecting that 4, which is this place. Let's call this place F and join it to A. Is that clear? Yes. Now again, where the perpendicular line is meeting the semicircle of 4. Remember, the 4 is the actual side. The denominator is the actual side. That's why we'll do that one first. So after you have done that one now, the next thing you're going to do, you're now going to, the second part where it is meeting the big one, let us call that place G. Where the semicircle of the big one is intersecting that perpendicular line is this point, which is G. So after you have done that, you will now transfer that F to G. you transfer this AF to G. You can see it now. It's transferring it, you take it here and bring it up here. So we have been able to locate our A prime now. This is A prime. So now what do you do next? You draw a radial line from B to all the corners. Radial line, extend this one too out. Don't let it go beyond. It should be on the same line. Like this. So what do you do now? You now transfer, this is A prime. You want to get A prime, so you transfer AE to A prime. Transfer AE. This is AE. Transfer it to A prime. Is here. Transfer it to A prime. So this will be our E prime. Now you transfer ED to E prime. It's coming to meet this diagonal line. ED. This like this. Transfer it to E prime. So this will give us D prime. So this is D prime. Then you transfer DC to D prime. DC, put it on DC first, and put this one here, shift it to D prime, then you bring this one here. So now this will give us C prime. So we are done with our shape. So you thicken everything, thicken it very well. We're going to use ruler to thicken your one, not freehand. So we now have A prime, E prime, D prime, C prime, and B is the required enlarged irregular pentagon. So thank you very much. That's the solution to the question. If you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.